If I can walk on 2 legs, why can't he on 3? I know, I'm very upset about my horse. He is one of your creatures, and he has all the same rights that I do. The right to be sick, the right to be hungry, the right to work like a horse. And dear God, I am sick and tired of pulling this cart. I know. I should push it a while.
Tevye?
What? What is it?
Tevye.
What?
It's Chava. She left home this morning with Bianca.
What?
I looked everywhere for her. I even went to the priest. He told me they were married.
Married? Oh. Go home, Golda. Go home. You have work to do. I have work to do. But we have other children at home. Go home.
But
Chava is dead to us.
Oh, Tevye.
We will forget her. Go home. Go home.
Oh.
Little bird, little Chavila, I don't understand what's happening today. Everything is all a blur. All I can see is a happy child, the sweet little bird you were, Chavila, Chavila. Little bird, little Chavila, you were always such a pretty little thing, everybody's favorite child. Gentle and kind and affectionate, what a sweet little bird you were, Chavila, Chavila. Accept them. How can I accept them? Can I deny everything I believe in? On the other hand, can I deny my own child? On the other hand, how can I turn my back on my faith, on my people? If I try to bend that far, I will break. On the other hand, there is no other hand. No, Chava! No, Chava! No!